Look at all of you. You know, all of you, monks and squirrels, leave some for my birds, please. Look at the monk look up at me. Oh my goodness. Oh, something else. Yeah, and that's what keeps knocking my solar lights down. And I keep putting them back. Oh, his cheeks are full. They're working as a team. Angle. Let's get another angle. Oh, and look at you on top of the pen. Oh my. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, another monk. Oh, and another monk. Oh my. We're just got a ton of them making their cheeks all fat. Look at all of you. I'm trying to get them all in the image here. Oh, hi, Cardinal. Oh, I missed him. I love how copacetic they all are. They just, they don't fight each other. They're just, I mean, the monk and the squirrel are like right next to each other. And the two monks over here. One's in the dog pen. Oh, that needs to be weeded. And then the poor birds are out in the grass waiting. Oh, man. I know, I see you flying around wanting to come. All the rodents are... Alright, bye. I think I'm going to have to start giving you some names. Look at the other ones on the feeder. Still, can't see him. He's in there. Oop, he just almost fell. That's why they're waiting, because he starts to fall, and then all the food comes tumbling down, and they just wait at the bottom. They're not stupid. They're like, you do all the grunt work, we'll just hang down here. Typical of many people I know. Oh, man. All right. I keep missing my cardinal. He's up on that rock. Where are you? There you are. There you are. Hey, babies. Let's see if I can zoom. Every time he flies